Looking at this car outside, it looks incredible. The photo bay just doesn't pop the paint like you would see out here in the sun. This color is really, really pretty. You can see the depth in there. I don't see a bunch of swirls, you know, and haze marks in that sun. And like I said, with that front end, full PPF, you can just see the sparkle on the front. That looks really good. Here across the hood, same thing. Paint looks really, really nice. And then while I'm out here, I do see a little ding right there, there, and there. And it is very, very subtle. I had to get just at that right angle to see it. But it looks like something just barely dinged it there, here, and there. I don't see any paint chipping or anything like that, so that should be a pretty easy fix there. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 32,811 miles on the odometer, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. You can tell it's definitely babied. Smells really good in here. Everything has a nice matte finish to it in great condition. We do have it in sport mode here. If you see any flickering on any of the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. While we're looking on the sun, I do see a couple more scuffs on the steering wheel that I didn't notice earlier. Shift's really nice. The steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any shake or shimmy to it. I'm gonna hit the brakes. Brakes feel solid. No issues there. No complaints with drivability. It is really, really nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front clip, you do have film over the full fender, hood, front bumper, headlights. And then you're gonna have that film here on the side mirrors as well. And then all 4 door cups, so that is PPF, paint protection film. All the date codes on the tires are 2021. Looking at this rim, you're gonna have a little bit of curb rash throughout the lip. It looks like this part was repaired, so it's a little smoother, and you can see the difference in the color there. So that was repaired, but then they have a little more curb rash there. Looking at the calipers, tarnished just a little bit. They are race red. And then looking at the spokes, overall in great condition. Here on that fender, you're gonna see a few little dimples in that PPF. A couple little bubbles. That looks good. Down here on that lower section, you're gonna see some small rock impacts. Here on the A pillar, I don't see any rock chips there. Here on the side mirror, that lens is really clean. See these little markings here? That's just the PPF, little air pockets underneath. Looking at the door, that looks really good. Nice and clean. You're gonna see minor surface scuffs from just kind of everyday washing, little swirls, things like that. You have film on that section protecting it. You get down here on the lower side though, you do have a couple rock chips, and then you're gonna have a little impacts here on that plastic. Here on this wheel, you do have some rash. You're gonna see a little bit of rash there as well. The inner spokes here look awesome. Here on the caliper, you have a couple chips. That looks good. Looking at the rotors, all of that looks nice. Quarter panel's clean. Rear bumper looks good. Like I said, full front clip PPF. protecting all the components here, including the headlights. You're gonna have a little bubble there. That edge looks really good. Upper section looks nice. I'm not seeing any rock impacts that potentially made their way through that film. Upper section looks good there. Here on the headlights, full PPF all the way around. Clarity looks good, nice and clean. So far, very, very nice. That headlight looks good. Looks like a little marking there, and it's hard to tell if there's something underneath that film or if that's just on the film. And then looking at this front splitter, you do have rash. So you're going to see some rash right there. You're going to see it a little bit on that lower end as well. Mainly the corners, so that little plastic trim there, you can see that on the corner. It did not impact the paint, it's just right there on the edge. It's very minor still. That looks good. Here on this wheel, I'm not seeing any curb rash. Center cap looks clean. Overall, that caliper is in great condition. You're going to see some light surface scuffs here. The rest of that A-pillar looks good. Here on the side mirror, that looks awesome. This is really clear. Now if you look in the paint here, you can see some little micro swirls and things like that. This is something that paint correction can get out. We do offer that in-house, even though that is very minor. It's just on that upper section. That door looks good here. Right on the edge, you can see that is a gash in the paint. So it did clip it there. That's not something that can be paint corrected out, but you could touch it up. You have that film down there. That edge is clean. Looking at that quarter panel, that looks good. Here on the back left wheel, very light rash right there. The rest of that wheel looks good. Like I said, date code on the tires, 2021. Tail light looks good. Center section here is clean. That tail light looks good. No cracks or anything. Here on the upper deck lid, very light swirls. Overall, very, very clean. Exhaust tips look good. Now that's just a hard water spot that kind of dripped down, so don't worry about that. You got your parking sensors. This plastic is all in great condition. That lens looks good. I don't see any damage back here. All right, and then you're gonna have an OEM indoor car cover that's included with the Porsche branded bag. You got your trickle charger. Here is a printout on the window sticker. MSRP $165,500. Here's the options, which we will have on the website as well. And of course you have your banner, your owner's manual information here, and then the OEM mats. So that will be included as well. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at the wood grain here, that's in great condition. Got your memory seating. The upper section leather looks really good. That's nice and clean. Looking at the buttons here, those look good. Now on the grab handle, you do have a couple imperfections and little chips and snags in that. That lower section looks nice. Here on this trim, that's in great condition. Looking at the bolster, typical wrinkles from getting in and out, but the foam is really firm and I don't see any scratches or anything like that. That bolster looks really, really nice. And then here on the bottom, that's all in great condition. Got the wood grain on the upper and lower section. Now you do have a couple little scuffs on the leather and then a few on that side. Other than that, that steering wheel looks good. Switches all look nice. Upper side of the dash, I don't see any separation on that leather. That screen looks good. All of this is in great condition. Beautiful, beautiful interior. All right, here on the front right door panel, looking at the upper leather, that looks good. You got your memory seating here. These buttons are nice and clean. Looking at the grab handle, that looks good. Got your storage pocket here, Bose audio. So overall, that panel is in great condition. Here on this trim, you do have a couple scuffs from getting in and out. Looking at the carpets, those look awesome. Here on the bolster, there's a small marking there. The rest of that looks good. That bolster is nice and clean. Upper section looks good. Here on the bottom, you do have a really small imperfection right there. A little scuff in the leather. Console looks good on this side. That's nice and clean. Underside of the glove box, that looks good. Here on that wood grain, very clean. Upper side of the dash, I don't see any wrinkling or imperfections there. That looks good. Full Alcantara headliner. Got the dual roof. So this side is in great condition. Here on the back right door panel, upper section looks amazing. The wood grain in here is nice and clean. All of that looks good. Bose audio. That trim is clean. Those floor mats look good. Looking at that bolster, really, really nice. These seats are in phenomenal condition. Console trim, that looks good. And look how beautiful all that gloss black is. All right, here on the back left door panel, once again, that wood grain is perfect. I don't see any wear on the handles. That trim looks really good. It looks like no one really ever sat back here. The seats are perfect. I don't see any scuff scratches or any imperfections. That seat back looks good. Then here in the cargo area, you do have your all-weather mat. There's our VIN number. Looking at the jams, those all look great. Nice and clean. And then of course it is power. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay. Looking at the plastics, all of that looks really nice. Here on the engine cover, you do have a couple light scuffs on that metal trim. The rest of that looks good. Then here on the underside of the hood liner has a couple light stains. Other than that, looks good. Here's your sticker.